India has approved two vaccines, Covishield and Covaxin, for emergency use to fight COVID-19 pandemic in the country. The mass vaccination drive is likely to begin over the next few days. Covishield is the same vaccine that is being used in other countries, including the United Kingdom. India's approval for Covaxin is conditional as it is still in clinical trial mode. 35,000 doses of COVID-19 vaccine Covishield have reached safely in Meghalaya on Wednesday morning, informed State Chief Minister Mr. Conrad K. Sangma. In a tweet, Sangma said, 35,000 doses of Covishield have arrived safely at the State Vaccination Centre, Shillong. This will set in motion the world's biggest vaccination effort from January 16, 2021. 11 sites have been identified across Meghalaya for the launch event. The initial sites are as follows: Negrims in East Khasi Hills, Mauplang CHC in East Khasi Hills, Nongston CHC West Khasi Hills, Sutnga CHC East Jante Hills, Pamra Paitlu PHC East Jante Hills, William Nagar Civil Hospital East Garo Hills, Holy Cross Hospital West Garo Hills, Ampati Civil Hospital Southwest Garo Hills, Resubalpara CHC North Garo Hills, Joai Civil Hospital West Jante Hills, Umsning CHC Ribhoi District. It may be noted that initially 16 health workers will be vaccinated accordingly since they are the frontliners to fight against the virus.